Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet.
Hi, I'm Mike from 1AAuto. I hope this how-to video helps you out. And next time you need parts for your vehicle, think of 1AAuto.com. Thanks.
In this video, we're going to show you how to replace an interior door handle on this 2003 Chevy Monte Carlo. And we show you on the driver's side, but the passenger side is the same procedure. And the items you'll need for this is a new interior door handle from 1AAuto.com, flat blade screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, T25 Torx Driver, putty knife, drill, and a 5/16" drill bit. Your door panel is held on with 4 screws. There's a Phillips screw here, and a Phillips screw up here. And then down here under the pull handle, there's 2 T25 Torx screws. And we'll just fast forward as Mike removes those. Now pry out behind this panel with a flat blade screwdriver and then slide the panel forward and over the door handle. And then pry out on either side of your door lock switch while pulling up on it. And that'll pull free. Now there's an indent right here that you want to slide your putty knife into, and then just pry out on the clip. And now reach back behind the door panel and feel for the clips and just pull out sharply to release the clips. And once you've released them all the way around, just lift the door panel up and then pull it back. Now push the tab on this harness and pull it free. And do the same thing for this harness. And now your door panel's free. Push on the tab on this harness and disconnect it. Unclip the harness from the door and pull it aside. And then carefully, without damaging the water shield, you want to just peel it back. Now holding on your door handle is a rivet. Just drill it out with a 5/16" drill bit. And we'll fast forward as Mike does this. Unclip your door handle rod and pull it up and out. And do the same thing with your lock rod. And then pry up on these 2 clips and pull the rods free. Now pry out on the door handle and it'll pop free. Take your new door handle and put the tabs through and then line it up. And we use a bolt. You can also use a rivet, whatever you have that'll fit. And then just tighten up your new bolt or use a rivet gun and replace the rivet. Reconnect your lock rod and just reclip it. Then do the same with your door handle rod. Now reclip them into this clip. You just push those tabs down to lock it. And then we'll just fast forward as Mike replaces the cover around the handle and the water shield. Reconnect this harness and reclip it to the door. To reconnect your door panel, just start off by reconnecting these 2 harnesses. and just put this switch through here, and then line up these slots with these 4 tabs, and just lift the door panel up and push those slots onto the tabs.
You can go.
And then just make sure the clips are lined up and hit them into place around the sides of the door panel. Now push your door lock switch back into this panel and slide the panel over your interior door handle and slide it back into place. And then just replace those 4 screws. And you're all set.
We hope this video helps you out. Brought to you by oneauto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. Please feel free to call us toll free 888-844-3393. We're the company that's here for you on the internet and in person.